Smoothing traffic flow, what does that mean? Well, basically what he wants us to achieve is not to attract more traffic onto the network, but to allow the traffic that's on the network to not sort of like incur stop-start conditions. Sort of go along, sit in a queue, go along, sit in a queue. So how can we smooth that traffic flow? And one of the big things we can do is stop the interruptions that cause some of the congestion on the network. Some of the sort of like the utility works, some of the sort of like little incidents that occur. How can we better manage the road space being utilised by others, whether it's temporary or permanently? Can we use sort of like our traffic control systems to better effect? Can we extend our traffic control systems? Can we give people more choices about which routes to use when? So it's all about sort of trying to take the traffic that we've got at present and managing it in such a way that it all goes a little bit slower but perhaps more smoothly, rather than stop, start and the congestion. Now, it's not necessarily easy. And certainly we're sort of like looking very carefully as to how we can do this, having spent sort of like 30 years, we thought, trying to manage the demand in London. But simple things that we're looking at are pedestrian countdowns. Instead of the sort of pedestrian systems that we've got at the moment with red and green lights for pedestrians to cross, if we have a countdown system like they have on the continent, would that help sort of like utilise the space at traffic lights better than the systems we have at present? So lots of little things, and TfL has actually set up a task force, invited sort of like people to comment on ways in which we can smooth traffic flows, certainly more effectively than we have been doing.